What's up, Turbo Revers? Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts. So, my baby, the Slavia, is going to the service center again because this time it's because of this, the dash cam. So this is an accessory that I installed from the showroom itself. It's from Blaupunkt and it's not working. It stopped working. I'll show you. So you can hear the sound. Look at that screen over there. I mean, there is no output, there is no display. You can see a line also coming up. I'm not sure if it's visible to you, but I can clearly see it. It's because of the light that line is not visible. Some sort of a line has also come up and the screen is totally blank. So yeah, as you can see, this is the wiring that's going, and it goes inside here all the way over here, and it comes out over here. This is a 12-volt charging socket. This is the wire, this is the socket of the dash cam, and it's placed inside over here. So it's very neatly finished the way they have done it, but I'm sure they'll have to take it to the service center to change the whole unit itself, because again, it's only 2 weeks old car, and this dash cam is as old as the car because it was installed during the day of the delivery. It was working then. I have my SD card inside also. I have to take it out, but now it's not working. So another reason that the car is going, apart from the dash cam, is the infotainment system. So the infotainment system, when I connect the Apple CarPlay, it has been hanged twice when I was using Google Maps. Okay, I had to stop the car, reset, and do a lot of things, and then again it started. Shut the car off and reboot it completely. And when I do that, it starts to work. But then that is not acceptable. Why is it hanging so easily? And this is something really I find completely intolerable, because it's a new vehicle. It's a new vehicle. How many times am I going to send it to the service center for these nicks and knacks? All these things should have been taken care of. That's why always, guys, whenever you go buy a new car, make sure you do a thorough PDI. Okay, even after the PDI there can be issues, but at least those issues will be minimalized when you go to buy a new car, be it second hand or be it new. Okay, so that's one of the things, also one of the reasons that why I'm sending this car, so that they can update the firmware and the software of this particular infotainment system. And another thing I discovered was there's some fit and finish issue in the car when it comes to the door handles. Let me show you all that as well. So once that guy comes, I'm going to tell them that you need to fix this as well. So you see this particular area, the door handles, electronic control for the windows and the ORVM. This panel pops out from here. You have to see, I press it in and it goes in. All right, and sometimes when the car is driving and if it's going through bad roads, this particular thing comes out. So that is something I'm going to tell them to fix, because this, see, look at that, it just comes out so easily. So this is something I want them to fix, because this is completely unacceptable in a 16 lakh car. All right, so I'm going to tell them about this also, apart from the dash cam, of course. So basically the guy is coming from the service center. They were coming on Saturday itself, but I wasn't available on Saturday. I had a lot of shoots planned and everything, and a lot of other work was also there. So I said, come on Monday. Today is Monday, and today the person is coming from the service center to check what's wrong. And if I 100% I'm sure that the car is going to go to the service center, because they have to take out this whole thing over here, the roof, this particular area. All right, because as you can see, let me show you. So this is the reason that the car has to go again. अरे यार नई गाड़ी है, क्या क्या हो रहा है यार. I mean, now I have also told them, when the car goes to the service center, I have also told them that check each and everything. Check the undercarriage, check the doors, check all the electronics, so that let me just open the window over here. Oh my god, I'm suffocated. Anyway, so actually it's raining, so I wasn't opening the window. But yeah, तेल फूकना भी नहीं है यार, बहुत महंगा हो गया है AC on करके. Anyway, so what I was saying was that the car is again going to the service center. 2 हफ्ते हुए, पहले गाड़ी में प्रॉब्लम आई, अब एक्सेसरी में प्रॉब्लम आ गई. तो मैंने उनको बोल दिया बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली कि यार एक एक चीज चेक करो, सब कुछ चेक करो. मैं नहीं चाहता बार बार सर्विस सेंटर मेरी गाड़ी नई गाड़ी जाए. You have to check each and everything. I mean, what is this going on? This is back and forth all the time, and I mean, it's not acceptable, you know. But see, the service center does a good job. The response is really swift, and even the showroom's experience was great. As I've told you, I got the Rapid also from there 4 years back, and I've never faced an issue with the Rapid whatsoever. Never. I got the Polo from another showroom, from a Volkswagen showroom. Again, they're the same company. Never faced an issue with the Polo. But I think the MQB AON platform cars, being a new platform, I think this particular car feels like a test run for the Indian market. It's like an R&D project for them. This is what I feel, to be very honest with you guys. Because when the Slavia was launched back in March 2022, I was skeptical of buying it immediately. I wanted to wait a year, because whenever a new generation comes out of any brand, this is my advice to you also, you should at least wait 1 year so that they can fix some issues that may pop up. So, you know, I waited more than a year. You know, in fact, March it was launched, May, June, around 1 year, 2-3 months I waited, and then I booked this car. Because there was EPC issues, there were certain breakdown issues, a lot of issues were coming up. I was reading about it. EPC was one of them that stuck with me. So I I didn't take any chance. But yeah, this is a Skoda गाड़ी. It's practically भाई ऑडी के सारे सिस्टम यूज होते हैं इसमें, तो चांस नहीं लेने का मेरे को. So I waited a year. I said I'll wait a year and then I will go for this particular brand. But even after waiting, there was the rattling issue that we spoke on the earlier video, and now this is an accessory issue. This is not a car issue. Let me be very clear about that. This is not a car issue, but it again has to go, you know, and change the accessory. So whoever they deal with accessories and all, you know, the companies that deal with these companies, they should make sure that they're also providing quality stuff, right? Because if the customer is constantly complaining that my car's accessory is not working or something like that, my car has an issue, so it hurts the brand image also. So I don't want to I'm not, you know, complaining or anything like that. Just want to keep you guys updated as to what is going on again, so that you know, this thing needs to stop, right? All the time the car going and coming. It's only two weeks old. Yesterday Sunday, today Monday. It's just annoying me now. But see, I love my car. I love my Slavia, but this is the final blow now. I've told them that check each and everything, fit and finish in the undercarriage especially, the door, the steering, all the electronics, so that this is all sorted once and for all, and it doesn't have to keep going and coming. All right, I've got other stuff to do also. Yahi main karta rahunga. So just want to keep you guys updated. So what are the things that we're going to get fixed is, we're going to get the dash cam replaced. Okay, we're going to get the infotainment system fixed. All right, and we're going to talk about this panel also. Any sort of loose fit and finish, we're going to tell them they'll fix it straight away, because this is completely unacceptable. All right, I will update you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've been listening for this long, thank you so much for watching the whole video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe, Turbo Revers. Bye bye.
Straight to the